I have made some bad mistakes in my time, but that's the breaks, and I'll bet I've had way more fun than you.
Okay, this is the test run to make a ring out of this nut. It's all rusted and looks like crap on the outside. Still got good threads, but we're going to take those off of there. Well, let's start by getting those threads out of there and rounding off all those squared edges. I'm not sure if you can see very well, but the threads are now taken out of the inside of that nut. Now I need to size it. I don't know. Maybe we'll try to get it to this finger or this finger. Okay, it's about the right size to fit on my pinky. Now we'll take off these flat edges. Okay, not perfectly round, still got some problems here and there, especially on this side here, but let's see if we can fix that on the drill press. I'm going to fix it to a tube here and then file it. Okay, we're going to try to true this up a little bit. Start by taking the sharp edge off around this with this file. Okay, now I'm just going to wrap different grits of sandpaper around this dowel and try to sand it out on the inside. Try to take off all the rough marks. Okay, so run through all the grits again. I think that should just about do it. It's pretty rough, but it's a good start. I can use what I learned here to make another one. Oh, there it is. A ring out of a nut. Thanks for watching.